Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can make all of your text all uppercase or all in like lowercase in one click. So I'm just going to type in lowercase for instance, and then to make it all in uppercase I don't have to retype it again. I can just simply select uppercase here, or if you just want to capitalize the first letter, you can select the title case, or if you want it to all be lowercase, just select the lowercase button. You have that here, and if this doesn't show up under text, that means you haven't updated your app to the latest one. So go to menu and go to more and go to your version. Make sure you have updated your app. My version is at the 2.6.0. That's the version I'm on, so make sure you do that first or this won't show up. So I just find it easier, for instance, if I'm typing something and I want it to all be uppercase, I don't have to type it over again. That is it. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any questions, just leave it in the comment section down below, and I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button above the description box down below. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!